Still looking for a working Pokémon Go spoofer for Android in 2026? You found it. Today, I'll show you how to teleport anywhere and automate your gameplay safely. Plus, huge news, we are giving away a 7-day free trial to everyone who subscribes and comments their PC system below. This event only lasts 2 weeks. Setting up is easier than ever on the latest Android versions. Just launch PoGoskill on your computer, connect your phone, and enable USB debugging. No rooting is required, keeping your warranty and device safe. Now, let's look at the core feature, location modification. Want to hunt in Tokyo or New York? Just type the coordinates or city name, hit teleport, and boom, you are there instantly. The game map updates in real time, loading up new gyms and rare Pokémon immediately. But here is the game changer, auto walk. You don't need to hold the joystick. Create a route, set your speed, and watch your character move automatically. This is perfect for hatching eggs without walking a single step. Combine this with a Go Plus device, and you have a fully automated catching machine. Remember to watch the cooldown timer on the screen to avoid soft bans. Play smart and stay safe. Ready to fill your Pokédex? Don't forget to subscribe and comment Windows or Mac right now to claim your 7-day free trial. See you in the game, trainers!